Is there something I can use to prevent and kill crabgrass in my backyard? Thank you. And this is Suji. So you know about that old crabgrass, don't you?
Oh, yeah. Sometimes if it weren't for crabgrass, I would have no grass.
That's what I say. That's exactly what I say.
So pre-emergents are real easy, and even post-emergents. It doesn't take a lot to kill the crabgrass because it's just so fleshy, kind of a fleshy weed and grass. Yeah.
And I agree with that. It is a grassy weed, of course. If you have thin, bare areas in your lawn, yeah, you're going to have crabgrass.
Lots of seeds.
Right. It likes to germinate when you have consecutive soil temperatures of 55 degrees or more. It'll start to germinate.
That's why you see it first.
That's why you see it first, right, pretty much. So bare spots in the lawn, okay? Or if you mow your grass too closely, right, you're definitely going to have crabgrass. So you know me, I like to start with the cultural practices first, right? Right. You got to mow at the right height.
Yes.
Fertilize according to your soil test. Irrigate at the appropriate time.
Yes.
Right? Because you want a dense stand of grass to crowd out the crabgrass.
Yeah, because if it's covered up and dark, those seeds will not germinate.
They will not germinate.
Because I think the crabgrass seeds like light to be able to germinate.
They need light to be able to germinate. Right. So you're right. Preventatively, right?
Yeah,
pre-emergent. Pre-emerge. Right. So anything dimension, you know, it's one, dithiopyr is the active ingredient in that, or pendulum, anything that contains pendimethyl, right? Post-emerge, the only one that I know that really works and is real effective, quinclorac. Look for quinclorac, but read and follow the label. But let's go with the cultural practices first.
Right.
Chemicals last resort. All right, and that should get you Suji, all right? So yeah, they're looking for space.
Yes.
And sunlight. Yeah, so dense stand of grass. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.